Hello, Namaskar, welcome back in my new blog. Today I will explain how to read isometric and what is the basic terms used in isometric. So, if you are looking for new job in oil and gas field, so you have to watch this blog till last. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So today we will discuss about isometrics, piping isometrics. This is very important, and if you are coming in oil and gas field, you must know how to read piping isometrics. That is very important. So let's start the video. Piping isometric is a representation of single pipe line in a process plant with exact dimensions and bill of material, that is BOM. It is the most important deliverable of any project where piping plays a vital role. By definition, isometric drawing are a graphical representation of 3D routed lines in a 2D planes that combines height, length of pipe in a single drawing with 30-degree angle. So now we will talk about the main body of isometric. Now you are seeing one isometric. In that, some I cut something because of confidential things. So I will let us explain the area of piping isometric. This is bill of material area, this is project area, and this is isometric area. Before reading piping isometric, you have to check your direction of northing. It is very important. It may be differ project wise, so you have to check first the direction of northing. So now we will talk about main body of isometrics, that is line number, already mentioned here. Flow direction, okay, like supposed to it is flow direction. Okay. Piping component means pipe, elbow, piping fittings. It may be some valves, outlets, couplings. So these are the piping components. And types of joints and its location. So types of joint is there, and its location is already mentioned on the isometric. Coordination and elevation. You can check the continuation of piping isometric, and elevation, easting, northing, and elevation also you can check it out here. If there is connection with the equipment, you can also get information there. In the bottom section of ISO, that is project area, you can get project name. This is project name, this is project name, this is client name, this is PMC, piping PMC, and contractor also. You can all these information you can check it out here. After that, you can also get the line size, piping line number, fluid codes, temperature, pressure. If line is stress critical or not critical, you can check it out here. You can also get operating temperature, design pressure, temperature, heat tracing. All the information will be there. Now we will talk about important calculation of piping data, that is inch meter. So inch meter, inch dia, that is very important. You have to calculate it. So inch meter basically the length of pipe, into size of pipe. All the length will be in meter. Same with inch dia, size of pipe into number of joints. So all the calculation will be like this. These are the very important calculation. And other calculation is insulation, that is equal to pi bracket pipe OD plus insulation thickness in meter into length of pipe in meter. Now we will talk about weight of pipe. Weight of pipe you can calculate. The formula is equal to pi into diameter of pipe in meter into length into thickness into density of pipe material. If suppose your pipe is CS, then density will be 7.85 gram into centimeter cube. Volume of the water required for hydro test, that is formula is equal to pi into pipe dia in meter square into length of pipe. So all the formula I will mention in description. Now we will talk about the coordination. If suppose this is north, this is south, this will be east, this will be west, this will be up, this will be down. So basically this is axis, x axis, y axis, z axis. So now we will talk about, if suppose this is basically pipe connected with another pipe with the help of elbow. So in next video I will also teach you what is the spooling and how we can give name of joints. So each and everything I will teach you, but now for the basic information, this is bill of material. All the material are using in this isometric will be here. This is shop, this is a material for fabrication, this is erection material. Erection material means the field components, and this is pipe cut length. Cut length is basically the length of pipe only. So all the information is available here. I already discussed about that. So in next video I will explain in detail about the piping isometric. Now this is the basic funda of how to read piping isometric, how can calculate inch dia, inch meter, piping and that bait also. So all the information are here. So if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So each and everything is available in this piping isometric. So accordingly you can read. Always we will always joint is starting from the one end to another end. So if joint is if flow direction is this way, then joint will start from this way. So if suppose joint number is 1 2 3 4 5 6, if suppose there is field weld, then in that case the spool will be break. If suppose this is spool 1, then if there is field weld, then it will be next will be spool 2. If another is filled well, then next to next spool will be spool 3. So 1 2 3 like that. If support is there, so in that case, if basically supports are two types: primary supports and secondary support. If primary support are those support which are directly connected to the pipe, and secondary support are those support which are not directly connected to the pipe. So in that case, if suppose primary support is there, then joint also will be there. So in that case, we have to add joint, and all the joints information will be there: joint numbering, size, and joints type. That is called bell detail. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Love you.